Hey everybody, Bruce Elgort here, and I wanted to show you a brand new feature that's been brought to Code.dev, formerly Code.cs50.io. So I'm in Visual Studio Code right here, right? And you can see a line of code. There it is, line 4. I'm going to highlight that line with my cursor, right? With my mouse. There it is, it's highlighted. So check this out. I'm now going to right click and now you see a new option that says explain highlighted code. I'm pointing to it with my finger, right? So let me click that option and notice what happens here on the right. A new tab opens and Visual Studio Code is sending this code snippet to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is coming back with an explanation of what your code is doing. Now, it works for a single line of code or multiple lines of code. So give it a shot, leave a comment, let me know what you think of this new feature. Uh, Explain highlighted code in Visual Studio Code. You take care.